Hey guys, it's Shannon the Garden Girl from Georgina Garden Center. I'm going to show you today how to prune back Annabelle Hydrangeas. I'm just going to flip the camera around. So these are Annabelle Hydrangeas. They're done for the season. They have the big white flower heads on them. And these guys are really easy to cut back. You're going to cut them back 8 to 10 inches from the ground. So you can see these ones I've already cut back. They're nice and low. And I've started these, so all you have to do, and you can use loppers, big loppers if you have, or hand pruners, and you're just gonna cut down each branch. No rhyme or reason to it. You don't have to look for bud points or anything like that. Just 8 to 10 inches to the bottom. They're gonna grow up brand new next year. None of the existing growth will grow up next year. So mind you, if you do leave some up, you might get some buds on it, but they'll be even more long and leggy than they normally can get. So always prune them back 6 to 8 inches from the ground. You can see our cuts from last year. These are last year's cuts, okay? And they come up just as full every year. So Annabelle Hydrangeas, the ones with the big white balls on them, big white blooms, 6 to 8 inches, or sorry, 8 to 10 inches from the ground. Have a great day, guys.